Hello friend. Today we are going to discuss on topic on supply. First of all, what is the supply? Supply is the willingness and ability to sellers to produce and offer to sell different quantities of goods at a different prices during a specific time period. Means supply. Supply means willingness and ability to sell. Next is the law of supply. Means the law of supply states that the price of a good increases, the quantity supply of the good increases, and the price of good decreases, the quantity supply of good decreases. Means if in a market the price of good increases, the quantity of supplied is also increases. Other, if in a market price of good decreases, the supply of good is also decreases. Means price and quantity supplied move in the same directions. Means supply and price in same direction. Means if price increases, supply also increases. If price decreases, supply also decreases. Means it is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Next, this slide shows the schedule of the supply. Means schedule means supply schedule means it is a numerical chart that illustrate the law of supply. In given table like first column for price and second column for quantity supply. The price increases 1 to 4, also supply increases 10 to 40, 10, 20, 30 and 40. That's why supply and price and quantity supply is the direct relationships. Then the graph shows this diagram shows the supply curve. This graph that shows the amount of good that sellers are willing and able to sell at various prices at the point of A to point D. Means the price increases, supply also increases. Then the supply changes, the curve shifts. Means supply can go up or down. Means supply is increasing and decreasing. The graph also changes. And these changes in also supply will create a shift in supply curve. Then supply increases, the supply curve shifts to the rights. If supply decreases, the supply curve shifts to the left. Means in increases, supply increases, the supply curve right, and supply decreases, the supply curve is shift left. Then what are the factors causes the supply curve to shifts? First, the prices of resources. Means prices of resources influence the supply of goods. Means when the resources price falls, sellers are willing and able to produce more of the goods and offer for it sale. And then next is technology. Means also causes the shift in the supply curve. Technology is the body of skill and knowledge of concerning the use of resources. Next, like taxes. Taxes on production can increase the per unit cost of producing of goods. Taxes cause the supply curve shift from the left. And then subsidies for financial payment made by the government for certain actions. Subsidies can increase productions, causing the supply curve to shift to the right. Next, quotas like are restriction on the numbers of units of foreign produce goods or import that can enter countries. A quota it decreases, supply shifting the supply curve to the left. And then the number of sellers in a market can impact on the supply curve. If more sellers being producing of goods, supply increases, shifting the supply curve to the right. And then expectation of the future prices. Means movement can cause sellers to either increase or decrease the current supply. And then weather can also affect the supply of goods. Means think of the effect that weather can have on a supply agriculture goods such as corn and wheat. Like, thank you.